Welcome to our special episode for today. What happens if a snow leopard merged with a yellow hyena into one body? Follow us to find out. But first, let's learn about the environmental life of each of them. The snow leopard. The snow leopard is one of the rare and endangered big cat species that inhabit the mountainous regions of the Himalayas and Central Asia. It is known for its unique and stunning appearance and is recognized for its ability to live in cold and harsh environments. It is also called the snow leopard or mountain leopard due to its adaptation to life in snow-covered mountainous areas. The snow leopard lives in the rugged mountain regions of South Asia, primarily in the Himalayas, Kyrgyzstan, Pakistan, Nepal, China, Mongolia, and parts of Russia. It prefers rugged mountain terrain, particularly areas at elevations ranging between 3,000 and 4,500 meters above sea level. The snow leopard has adapted to cold and snowy environments and lives in areas with low temperatures throughout the year. The snow leopard has thick, soft fur that helps it stay warm in its cold environment. Its fur is typically grayish-white with dark spots scattered across the body. The snow leopard has large, padded feet covered in fur, which help it walk through deep snow and distribute its weight evenly on the snow surface. It has a long, thick tail that helps it maintain balance while moving through rough terrain. The snow leopard's relatively large eyes provide it with good vision in the dark, which is essential for its nocturnal lifestyle. The snow leopard has a strong, muscular body suited for mountain life. It can grow to about 1.2 meters in length, and males typically weigh between 35 to 55 kilograms. The snow leopard is a predator and hunts medium to large-sized animals such as deer, the marker, a type of wild goat, and wild cattle. It may also occasionally feed on smaller animals such as rabbits and birds. The snow leopard is not an active hunter all the time. It relies on an opportunistic hunting style, silently stalking its prey and attacking suddenly using its speed and power. The snow leopard is a solitary animal, living and hunting alone, avoiding competition with other animals for food. The snow leopard is primarily nocturnal, meaning it is most active during the night and sleeps during the day. Thanks to its thick fur and ability to navigate through snowy rocks with ease, the snow leopard is well suited to life in freezing mountainous regions. The breeding season of the snow leopard varies, but it typically occurs in the spring or summer. The female carries her young for a gestation period of 90 to 100 days. The female usually gives birth to 1 to 3 cubs at a time. The cubs stay with their mother for 18 to 22 months, during which they learn hunting skills. The cubs begin hunting on their own after about 18 months, but they may stay with their mother for a longer period before becoming fully independent. Deforestation and agricultural expansion threaten the snow leopard's natural habitat. The mountainous regions it inhabits are under threat from mining, logging, and urban development. The snow leopard is illegally hunted for its fur and bones, which are used in traditional medicine in some Asian regions. It is also targeted due to conflicts with humans over land and resources. Snow leopards sometimes come into conflict with local human populations and livestock. When a snow leopard enters residential areas or preys on livestock, it may be killed illegally. As a result of these threats, the number of snow leopards in the wild has been steadily decreasing. According to the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, the snow leopard is classified as vulnerable, with an estimated wild population between 4,000 and 6,500 individuals. Many environmental organizations are working to protect the snow leopard from poaching and habitat destruction. Protected areas have been established in some of its range to ensure its survival. Furthermore, international organizations such as the Worldwide Fund for Nature, WWF, are actively involved in conserving this species. Awareness programs have been launched in areas where snow leopards live to help local populations understand the importance of preserving the species and how to reduce conflicts with humans. In Asian cultures, the snow leopard is considered a symbol of strength, resilience, and endurance. It features prominently in myths and folklore in countries such as Tibet and Nepal. The snow leopard appears in many artistic and photographic works as a symbol of wilderness and rugged mountains, and it has become a subject of interest in documentaries and wildlife photography. Due to the difficulty of accessing its natural habitat, the snow leopard can be found in some zoos and private facilities. However, Breeding this species in captivity requires special care to ensure the health and well-being of the animal, as it may face health challenges in non-natural environments. The snow leopard is a natural symbol in many cultures and has become a major subject in literature and art. In some stories and legends, it is considered a mysterious animal that represents wild beauty and the ability to survive in harsh conditions. The snow leopard is one of the magnificent wild animals that embody strength and endurance in cold mountainous life. However, the significant threats it faces require ongoing protection and global attention to ensure the survival of this unique species from extinction. The yellow hyena. The yellow hyena is a species of hyena belonging to the Hyenidae family, and is one of the lesser-known species compared to the spotted hyena and the beaked hyena. The yellow hyena is considered the oldest species of hyena, and has been known since ancient times for its unique characteristics and its wide range that extends across diverse geographical areas. The yellow hyena is a medium-sized species of hyena. Its body length ranges from 90 to 150 centimeters, from head to tail, while the tail length ranges from 25 to 40 centimeters. The yellow hyena usually weighs between 30 and 55 kilograms, and this weight varies according to age and sex. The yellow hyena is characterized by its fur, which is often brown or grayish yellow with dark stripes across the sides and legs. These stripes give it its name and help it camouflage itself in its natural environment. The face is somewhat flat, its ears are small and round, while its eyes are small compared to its size. The yellow hyena has strong jaws and sharp teeth that enable it to tear meat effectively. It has strong, large feet that help it walk on rough terrain, in addition to its feet being covered with thick hair that helps it move in dry environments. The yellow hyena is found in North and East Africa, as well as in some areas in the Middle East, such as Iraq and Syria, and the Indian subcontinent. The yellow hyena lives in a variety of habitats, from dry plains to semi-desert areas and mountainous areas. It prefers to live in open environments with a low density of trees, such as grassy plains and dry areas that contain some vegetation. The yellow hyena is able to live in harsh environments characterized by high temperatures in the summer and little rain, as it adapts to difficult living conditions. The yellow hyena is a predator and feeds mainly on meat, whether by hunting small animals or eating carrion, dead animals. Its diet includes small animals such as young deer, rabbits, birds, rodents, and it can also eat carrion found from other animal prey. While the yellow hyena is not an active hunter like the lion or tiger, it feeds mainly on carrion, and may sometimes cooperate with other hyenas to obtain food from dead animals. However, it can also hunt some small prey. The yellow hyena is considered more solitary compared to some other species of hyena such as the spotted hyena. It usually lives in small groups or individually, and is often a solitary animal. However, it may be found in small groups at times when there are many food sources available. The yellow hyena relies on a variety of sounds to communicate with its peers. Although the yellow hyena does not make the same distinctive laugh as the spotted hyena, it does make sounds similar to whining or screaming, especially in situations that require alert or in cases of danger. The yellow hyena is known for its greedy behavior in consuming food, as it competes with other animals such as lions for carcasses. The yellow hyena usually mates during certain periods of the year, and the mating season may vary depending on the geographical location and environmental conditions. The gestation period in the yellow hyena ranges from 90 to 100 days. After this period, the female gives birth to 1 to 4 young at a time. The young are born in burrows or protected places where the female takes full care of them. After birth, the young remain with their mother until they are about 6 months old, where they begin to acquire hunting and food skills. The young begin to explore their surroundings at an early age, where they learn hunting skills from their mother. Like most hyena species, the yellow hyena faces threats from other predators such as lions and tigers. It can also be endangered by humans due to poaching or due to its competition with other animals for resources. As is the case with many wild animals, the yellow hyena suffers from habitat loss due to human activities such as urban expansion, agriculture, and industrial activities. The yellow hyena is hunted in some areas for its fur, or because humans believe it poses a threat to local animals or livestock. The yellow hyena is not currently considered endangered, but its numbers are declining in some areas of its habitat due to poaching and habitat loss. Preserving its natural habitat and protecting it from environmental degradation and urban expansion is part of the efforts to protect this species. The yellow hyena has been listed as a studied species in some areas to protect wild populations from extinction. The yellow hyena plays an important role as a prey decomposer, feeding on carrion and helping to clean the environment of dead animals. By hunting small animals and eating carrion, the yellow hyena helps maintain the balance of species in its environment. The yellow hyena is often viewed as a mysterious or fearsome creature in many cultures, and its name may be associated with many myths and legends. Despite this, the yellow hyena remains a solitary animal that does not pose a direct threat to humans unless it feels threatened. The yellow hyena is sometimes seen as an unwelcome animal due to its competition with humans for resources such as livestock or hunting. The yellow hyena is a complex social animal with a variety of behaviors ranging from hunting to scavenging. It lives in harsh environments and is an important part of the ecosystem as a prey decomposer, playing a role in maintaining ecological balance by feeding on dead animals. While it faces threats such as habitat loss and poaching, it is not currently considered endangered and requires continued protection to ensure its survival in its natural habitat. Finally, let's explore what happens if a snow leopard merges with a yellow hyena into one body. We would have a hybrid creature that combines the traits of these two species. Although this is not possible in reality due to the differences in species and the lack of mating between leopards and hyenas in nature, we can imagine some potential effects in this imaginary creature. The snow leopard might inherit a strong body structure, strong muscles, high speed, and the ability to endure cold environments. The yellow hyena might exhibit traits related to physical strength, resilience, and adaptability to different environments, as well as group hunting skills. The snow leopard is typically a solitary predator that hunts in remote mountainous areas, while the yellow hyena is known for its social behavior and hunts in groups. If these two traits merged, we might have a creature that leans towards solitary behavior but is also capable of benefiting from cooperation in some situations. It might have a blend of physical traits between the snow leopard, which is characterized by thick fur and grayish-white coloring, and the yellow hyena, which has shorter fur and colors ranging from gray to yellow. The hybrid creature might have shorter fur than the snow leopard but more diverse colors. The hybrid creature could adapt to different environments, from snowy mountains to warmer and drier areas favored by the yellow hyena, giving it flexibility in adapting to changing environmental conditions. But of course, this is all within the realm of science fiction, as merging different animal species in this way is not biologically possible in reality. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more interesting topics. See you!